Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a closer look at the Shark WANDVAC Power Pet Cordless Hand Vac. This ultra-lightweight handheld cleaner is designed to tackle some of the toughest cleaning challenges, especially when it comes to pet hair. At just under 1.5 pounds, it's a compact powerhouse, perfect for cars and homes with pets. Let's break it down and see how well it performs in real-world conditions. The Shark WANDVAC Power Pet is all about portability and power, bringing you up to 35 minutes of runtime in eco mode. For a handheld vac, that's pretty impressive, especially when you consider the power-packed features it delivers. It includes a duster crevice tool for those tricky corners and tight spaces, and the new FurFins Tool is a standout, designed to lift and grab pet hair without tangling, which is a huge win for anyone with furry friends. The boost mode is a nice touch, offering extra suction when you're dealing with stubborn debris or heavier messes. So whether you're cleaning upholstery, carpets, or the interior of your car, this vacuum promises to make life a little easier. In terms of specs, you're looking at a dust cup that's easy to empty and maintain, along with a removable filter housing, so keeping it in top shape is a breeze. No complicated steps or tricky parts to deal with. The charging dock is sleek and not just for show. It charges quickly and provides storage for your accessories, so you can always have what you need within reach. And when it comes to cleaning performance, this vacuum does a solid job on various surfaces, from hard floors to soft rugs, and of course, those pet-infested areas. Now, how does this Shark handheld vac handle in the real world? First off, it's incredibly easy to set up. Just pop it on the dock and you're ready to go. In terms of usage, the lightweight design makes it super easy to maneuver, whether you're reaching under furniture or zipping through your car's interior. The duster crevice tool is a nice addition, making it simple to get into those hard-to-reach spots. And the FurFins tool absolutely lives up to the hype when it comes to lifting pet hair off upholstery and carpets. But let's talk about suction performance. When you hit boost mode, you can feel the extra power, and it does a solid job picking up larger particles, like crumbs or dirt in the car. On carpets, it's pretty effective at lifting pet hair though. For deep cleaning, you might want to do a few passes, especially with thicker rugs. But, like any product, the Shark WANDVAC Power has its strengths and weaknesses. On the plus side, its lightweight design is perfect for quick cleanups, and it excels in handling pet hair without tangling, which is a big deal. The suction power is solid, especially in boost mode, and the fact that it's cordless gives it great maneuverability. But on the flip side, you might find that, while it's perfect for light messes, it doesn't replace a full-sized vacuum for larger areas or more stubborn dirt. And while the battery life is decent at 35 minutes, if you need longer cleaning time, you might find yourself needing a recharge. Also, some users may find the dust cup to be a bit small, especially if you're cleaning larger messes in a big house. Now, in terms of value for money, the Shark WANDVAC Power Pet is priced in the mid-range for handheld vacuums, but its performance is right on point. It's got the power, the pet-specific tools, and that user-friendly design that makes it easy to grab and clean in a flash. Compared to other options in the same price bracket, you're getting solid suction, good runtime, and practical accessories. You might find cheaper handhelds, but they often lack the specialized tools or suction power this model brings to the table. If you're looking at alternatives, vacuums like the Dyson Micro 1.5 kilograms or the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser are worth considering. Both are similarly lightweight and tailored for pet hair, but the Dyson offers a bit more suction power and a higher price point. The Bissell, on the other hand, might have a slightly more affordable price tag, but may not offer the same runtime or versatility as the Shark. Build quality on this model is solid. The materials feel durable and the design is sleek. The plastic isn't cheap feeling, and the handle provides a good grip, which is important for long cleaning sessions. In terms of maintenance, cleaning the filter and dust cup is straightforward, nothing too complicated. As for longevity, Shark has a pretty reliable track record with these types of handheld vacuums. And with regular maintenance, this should last you a few years without major issues. The charging dock is sturdy. And the onboard accessory storage ensures that you always have the tools you need within reach. If you're wondering about customer support, Shark has a reputation for providing helpful service should you run into any issues. They're pretty responsive when it comes to warranty claims or parts replacement, which is always reassuring with a product like this. To wrap things up, the Shark WANDVAC Power Pick Cordless Hand Vac is an excellent choice if you're looking for a compact, powerful handheld vacuum that's easy to use and ideal for pet owners. It excels in maneuverability, suction power, and cleaning pet hair, making it a solid investment for smaller messes, car cleaning, or tackling those pesky pet-related debris around the home. However, if you're after a vacuum that can handle larger cleanups or longer runtime, you may want to look elsewhere. But for its intended purpose, it really does shine. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more expert reviews. And if you've got any questions or your own experiences with this vacuum, feel free to drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Keep those spaces clean and your vacuums handy.